Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a Forever 21 gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to Forever 21. So this is it here, forever21.com. And now once you land on the official website here, you want to look for gift cards. It's located top right hand corner of the page here. So I'm going to click onto gift cards. Now this is going to send me to the gift card section, as we can see here. So if we scroll down, they've got 34 different products available. So they got a Forever 21 gift card, $51, got all these different types. So choose which one you want to use. So I'm going to do this, because it's Christmas time, I want to do Merry Christmas. And now once it loads, I'll be able to change the style. So under Forever 21 gift certificate, it says it's $51. Not sure why they put $51 in, because you can change your amount down here. So you got $10, $15, $50, $75, $100, etc. So yeah, choose which one you want to do. So if I want to do 15, I'm going to choose 15, and now choose your design. So if I want to go for, say, this rainbow color design, it's going to change it to that, which kind of looks pretty crap, to be honest. But let's have a look at this design. This looks a bit better. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to fill out the recipient's email, put in the name, sender's email, sender's name, and message. And then from there, just follow on with the prompts, because I'm making this gift card in Australia. Gift cards are not available in my country just yet. But yeah, this is how to purchase one.